There you have it, our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 3. For the second number, we have 0. And the third number is 4. Muli po ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight. 3, 0, and 4 in exact order. And to wrap up our game night, mamimigay muli ng papremyo ang dos numeros. Let's play the 2D Lotto. At narito na ang resulta ng 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 12. And the second number is 23. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 12 and 23 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng nanalo.